Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the 12th episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 12. How to include client consent in a referral. Log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the referral you wish to confirm consent of. Click on the Client Details tab above the Actions page. Click the Edit Client Details button on the top right of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Contact Details section. Confirm the client's contact numbers and email address and select the appropriate consent options where applicable. Once you have updated all contact information and added consent, scroll to the top of the page and click the Save Client Details button on the top right of the screen. Close the Client Details tab by clicking on it. Navigate to the case file of the referral by clicking on the Case File tab. Click the Edit button on the top right of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Consent option. Update the consent option as necessary. Click the Save button on the top right of the page. This should return you to the Actions page of the referral. You can now exit the client file.